Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that almost every industry today, from tech and finance to healthcare and e-commerce, is hiring analysts? If you've ever searched for business analyst jobs, data analyst jobs, financial analyst jobs, or even what does an analyst do, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to break down the most in-demand analyst roles, their responsibilities, typical career paths, and how you can get started, even if you're looking for an entry-level analyst job. So stick around till the end, because this guide might just help you choose the right analyst career path for 2025. Section 1. What does an analyst do? So let's start with the basics. What does an analyst actually do? In simple terms, analysts are problem solvers. Their main job is to gather information, analyze data, and provide insights that help businesses make better decisions. Whether it's a business analyst identifying gaps in processes, a data analyst finding trends in big data, or a financial analyst predicting future profits, the core responsibility is the same: turning information into actionable insights. Common analyst roles and responsibilities often include collecting and interpreting data, identifying patterns and risks, making recommendations, and communicating findings clearly to stakeholders. Section 2. Types of analyst jobs. All right, here's where it gets exciting. There are many analyst positions out there, so let's break down the most in-demand ones. Business analyst jobs. Business analysts act as a bridge between business teams and IT teams. They analyze processes, identify problems, and propose solutions. You'll often hear about roles like IT business analyst jobs, business systems analyst jobs, and entry-level business analyst jobs. This is one of the most accessible entry points into the analyst career path. Data analyst jobs. Data analysts work with numbers, large data sets, and visualization tools like Excel, SQL, Python, and Power BI. You might see job titles like Power BI analyst jobs or data analyst jobs in e-commerce, logistics, or healthcare. Financial analyst jobs. Financial analysts deal with numbers, but from a money perspective. They create forecasts, analyze investments, and help businesses grow financially. Related roles include investment analyst jobs and equity research analyst jobs. These are common in banks, investment firms, and startups. Cybersecurity analyst jobs. As cybercrime increases, cybersecurity analyst jobs are booming. These analysts monitor systems, prevent cyber attacks, and protect sensitive data. If you're interested in IT security, this is a strong career path. Market research analyst jobs. Market research analysts study consumer behavior and market trends. Companies use their insights to improve products, marketing campaigns, and customer experiences. This role is great if you enjoy combining data with psychology and marketing. Other analyst roles. Some other analyst roles worth mentioning are supply chain analyst jobs, management analyst jobs, QA analyst jobs, system analyst jobs, and operations analyst jobs. Each of these focuses on a specific domain: logistics, consulting, software testing, IT systems, or process efficiency. Section 3. Entry-level analyst jobs. If you're just starting your career, which analyst jobs are the best for beginners? The most beginner-friendly roles include entry-level business analyst jobs, especially in IT and banking. Data analyst internships or junior analyst roles, great for those with Excel or Power BI skills. Operations analyst positions, which often hire fresh graduates to support process improvement. These roles are perfect for building your foundation and then moving up in your analyst career path. Section 4. Analyst career path. Let's talk about how analyst positions typically grow. Most analysts start as junior analysts or entry-level analysts. With experience, you move to senior analyst, then to lead analyst or consultant roles, and eventually to manager or director positions. Some reach executive levels like head of analytics or chief data officer. The analyst career path is flexible. You can specialize in finance, data, cybersecurity, supply chain, or pivot into leadership and consulting. Section 5. Tips to start your analyst career. All right, how do you actually get started? Here are my top tips. 1. Learn essential tools like Excel, SQL, Tableau, and Power BI. 2. Get certifications. Google Data Analytics for data roles, CFA for finance, CBAP for business analysts, or CompTIA Security, plus for cybersecurity. 3. Build a portfolio. Work on case studies, projects, or even create dashboards that show off your skills. These steps can make you stand out when applying for analyst jobs. Conclusion. Let's quickly recap. We discussed what analysts do, the most popular analyst jobs, their roles and responsibilities, entry-level opportunities, and the career path you can expect. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which analyst role interests you the most? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.